We are here from Idea Cellular, and we would be presenting the multi-vendor supporting operation and maintenance center. Multi-vendor scenario, as you all know, that the way growth is happening rapidly in the industry, it's unavoidable to stop the, have the earlier days like only one vendor, one supplier, one knock. So today the scenario has been changed. So the innovation came out that in Punjab being a hub, we are managing J&K, HP and Punjab all together, and having 5 vendors in Punjab, like 5 multi-vendor products. So the challenge was very tough to the team that, okay, let us handle all kind of 5 vendors, 5 NOCs, and integrated all the NOCs together and have the integrated solution for that. So Puneet will take you through the complete innovative solution, and I'll party of the question answer session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Puneet.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we start with the introduction of the contents of the presentation. First, it is introduction to OMC, and then challenges in multi-vendor scenario. And then we will touch innovative solution that we invented and to overcome these challenges, and features of the application, impacts of application, and then finally we will have few images and a brief video of the application. Now to start with the introduction to OMC. OMC, that as everyone knows, that it is operations and maintenance center in any telephone network. It comprises of engineering team which works 24/7 to keep close vigil over the network, and that's why it is also known as the lifeline of the network. There are 5 different pillars in a OMC department. First one is the alarm management and escalation. All the telecom alarms and infrastructure alarms are packed into the OMC system. So any happenings, any faults, any problems in the network are looked after by the OMC department. And next is fault management. There are few telecom faults or infrastructure faults that can be cleared sitting remotely in the OMC department. And next is configuration management. In a network, all the frequencies, all the neighbors, configuration call capacities of BTS, Node B, RNC, etc. are defined through the OMC system and controlled through the OMC system. And next is performance management. All the key performance indicators of the network are controlled through the OMC system. And all this information is packed into the OMC system in the form of stats. And last is reports management. All the reports regarding network analysis or reports required by TRAI or DOT or any external agencies or internal departments are generated from the OMC function. So this slide was to just show how crucial is the OMC function to any mobile network. So as sir told, that due to rapid telecom growth, what has happened, multiple vendors like ZTE, Huawei, Ericsson, etc. they are deployed in a single network, and the network structure has become very complex, and this has made the task of OMC function very challenging. So let's see the challenges of the multi-vendor scenario. Just to show you, this was the kind of structure in the Idea Cellular last year. We were having different kind of equipments integrated in our network, like Motorola, ZTE V2, ZTE V3, Ericsson, Huawei, and every equipment was having number of OMC servers. So we can see that in a single network we were having number of sub-networks, and every sub-network was having different number of OMCs, and the total count of the OMC was approximate 13. So this made our network look very complex, and the task of alarm management, performance management, configuration management was very tough. And there were number of challenges: high workload due to multiple sub-networks within a network, and excessive workload on the manpower. And also excessive manpower was required to keep the work going. Also there were delay in alarm escalations, both infrastructure alarms and telecom alarms. Delay was due to this reason because the person has to correlate the alarms between different sub-networks, and then has to get the complete detail of the alarm, and then to look for the field person home to escalate the alarm, and then he has to do the voice call. So a delay in the process, time consumption, and which can increase the network outages. And next, more space is required for having so many clients, so many different terminals. And definitely, you have to train your engineers for the competency of all the different platforms, because every equipment provider makes OMC according to his own technology, different platforms, different operating systems, different application structure, everything was totally different. So for a simple engineer to control the network, it was a very challenging task. So to overcome these challenges, number of solutions were thought of. At that time, there were no solution available in the market for a unified OMC, which will complete all the functions of the OMC and will also cover different kind of vendors. So such kind of solution was not available. So Idea Cellular itself tried to invent and do some research over this, and we invented an application whose structure was like this, as you can see in the next slide. See this one. Here we are having a solution to overcome all the challenges which have we previously seen. There is Motorola network, ZTE V2 network, ZTE V3 network, Huawei network, Ericsson network, and we have made a solution which have been shown in the green color, that is multi-vendor application Java software. This software is connected with all the different OMC servers, Motorola, V2, V3, Huawei, all the 13 servers. And this connectivity has been made through ODBC, Open Database Bridge Connectivity, which is one of the simplest interface available in the market. And this, there is a front end of the application which you can see this single user sitting, and he is having integrated view of the network. He is getting complete information, alarm management, performance management, configuration management, reports management, everything is available on a single interface. And we did a top up, like we made this application to connect with the SMSC server, so that application can support automated messages also. Also, we made this application to connect with the SMTP server, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol server, where we can send automated emails. So this was the application which overcome all the challenges of the multi-vendor scenario. Now it covers everything like inventory. We can get inventory output, we can get telecom alarms escalated, telecom and infrastructure alarms escalated to all the field persons, to everyone. So this is a unified solution where everything has been covered up. We do not need separate solution, means one for alarm management, another for performance management. It is integrated solution.
Yeah, one beauty, Puneet, I would like to add here of this particular software is taking all the raw data from the different nodes into the format which normally engineer can easily access. That was the one. And second, auto emails for all the reports, whatever management report like you defined 14, 15 daily MISs. All earlier it was taking 8 hours to make the report for the engineer. Now by this system, automate, all the reports are going automatic. Even SMTP is connected, this mail server. So automatic report at 706 means 705. All the reports are going automatically. So that's the only.
So to continue with, these are few major features of the application. Fault monitoring of entire network on a single window. A single interface gives complete faults of the network, both telecom and infrastructure. You need not to go from one system to another system. All the vendors have been covered up. And next is the network configuration detail on a single window. With a single click, you can have different type of configuration detail on your window. Yeah. What are the T-Rex integrated in the network, number of BTS, number of sites, various call capacity of the network, everything required by the management or to the engineer for analysis purpose, for planning purpose, everything is available on a single click.
Yeah.
Next is automated fault escalation through SMS. At the back end, application continuously track all the alarms that have been defined in the system, and it escalate to the concerned teams, to the technicians, to the field engineers, to the everyone. And application automatically do the escalation also from technician to engineer and then to higher levels. Next is automated network health checkup reports. As sir told that this application supports automated reports. Automated reports required by external agencies, by internal agencies, or anything are generated by this application. If you require something new kind of report, that too can be generated with few number of clicks. You have to just wait for few minutes and a new kind of report is also generated. And next, impacts of application. This application has helped us in number of ways. This was first of type multi-vendor and multi-function supporting in-house developed ODBC based application. It was supporting number of different telecom vendors. It was covering all the functions of the OMC, and also it was developed in-house, free of cost, and simplest interface, that was the ODBC connections. Market impact. The application has helped us in improvement of our network availability. Definitely when we are spending less time on escalations and we are escalating our network outages as early as possible, we are improving our network availability and the efficiency of the network, and that is helping us in the number of subscriber gains. All the VAS applications, whatever, they all depend on the stable and reliable network. Unless you are having a good network, no VAS applications or 3G applications can have market impact. So we worked on the basic, that to have a very good and stable and reliable network, and we worked to improve the network availability and efficiency of the network. This application has helped us to reduce human errors. We have shown that in the white paper submitted to the jury members, that this application has helped us to reduce the network outages and prompt action on network outages, which has given customer highly available and stable network. And next is high sustainability. The application is working from June 2011. Yes,
Yeah.
the application is working from June 2011 without any failures and bugs. And interoperability, the application can be easily replicated and even the new vendors can be easily added because the model is very simple, ODBC connections, where complete database of the vendors are replicated into our own database, and the application is Java based in a very simple coding. And we have worked on the simplicity. There are few images where you can see only few number of people managing 5,000 plus sites with a single interface, which is very customized and according to the end user. Everything is available on a single click and complete actionable information is available, that what is the problem, where is the problem, and who is the concerned engineer who will resolve this fault.
Yeah, next.
And there is also brief video which will play in the back end. I will just...
Yeah, I think video is not required. I'll just summarize. The video is only having the how the report and everything is to be generated. So that's very simple way. I can explain that earlier time was 8 hours, and within 10 minutes now we are able to make all the reports, all even SMS. Network availability is better than earlier. Incidents are earlier 34 average incident. Now it's only 1 or 2 incidents on the error part. So that's compile summary of the total software which we have made. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
When you respond to a question,
Yes, sir.
press it. Don't start the
Right, sir.
presentation all over again.
Right.
Okay, I have quick 2 questions.
Right, sir.
One is whatever IPR you have developed,
Yes.
right? Is can be converted to a standard product, or is it idea network specific? That's number 1.
So it
Just
can
listen,
be,
just
it can
number
be...
2,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yeah.
Number 2, how is it different from the network and OEM outsourced vendors
Yeah.
which do multi vendor? So how is this different than say Alcatel-Lucent?
Yeah.
Who does it for multi-vendor?
Yeah, very good. Yeah, that's
Yes, sir. It can be very easily converted to any market application because we have tested it thoroughly. It is supporting all the vendors, and we have even taken approval of vendors. And even this application is being used in the Indus Towers for the alarm escalation in other infrastructure vendors. And it is better than infrastructure applications because it is supporting all the functions: alarm management, performance management, configuration management, reports management. It is a bigger tool which is above the... It is not only covering infrastructure alarms, it is covering everything. Everything is available on a single interface. You need not to have different solutions for different kind of
So
work.
in summary,
Unified solution.
that can be used, even we are going to use nationally also. Even some of the vendors also, those guys are sitting on infra side also. Yeah, so yeah, very correct question. But so far we have not think on that we will we will sell this product because this our own in-house developed software. Yeah, sir.
But we have shared with the infra vendors.
Yeah,
Indus Towers.
infra vendor we
They
have
are
shared
using it.
because they are in our,
Yes.
yeah, that's it. So far we have not registered because it's earlier it was in the testing phase. Now sustenance also we have seen. So I'm sure we'll go for the next level for that. Thank you, sir.